Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from HonorPad 9 to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both. Then download free app called Send Anywhere. Remember that it has to be from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Then to use it, click on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the second one, I agree and I acknowledge, confirm, continue, allow. In this window about new updates, you can tap on Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Then tap on your device's screens and select Send at the bottom left corner of your Honor tablet. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of your Android. Also on tablet, using all of those categories at the top, you can select all of your files to transfer. I will go with only a couple, just for example. When you're ready, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom and tap on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Now it's time to decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order. And hit Receive. If you want to scan this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and then point it at the code. Lastly, just wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!